Right guys, so this is the new Mini key. As you can see, got the Mini logo here. If I zoom in here, this is the lock button. Obviously you got your standard unlock, open the boot, and this is your personalization mode. So you'll click that'll personalize it. Obviously you won't forget what car you got anyway. It's got Mini written on the back, and then you got the Mini logo at the front. I'm sure maybe at some point these keys will be personalizable, just given how that slash there will allow you to do something and change over. But yeah, whilst we're here anyway, I was looking at the key. So if you push that down and grab that off, this actually opens up the back of the key. So you go here, just push that down, see all the buttons, and then if you turn that, that will let the battery out. It's just a normal CR23 battery. You get that most watches and other stuff like that. It tends to be like Casio watches. That's your battery. Job done. If you ever need to replace it, you go through, turn that open that tab, put your new battery in, push it down. Job done. Simple as that. So that's a quick overview how to change the battery in the new series of Mini, and what the functions are.